and move it down the building. I guess you guys are here for tickets.
Easy, guys.
Hell yeah!
Tickets for my dad.
Dude, I just need a video.
They just need a cute picture of him. Come on, man.
I know. He's a freaking.
What is up with the table, bro? We're good. Is that him right there?
That's him. That's the guy. That's the guy from Fortnite.
From Fortnite. Is he in Fortnite?
No.
Probably.
He will be eventually.
Only
bald
first
guy in
and last
Fortnite?
name. That's it.
Just last name?
First and last name.
First and
Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Just your first and last name, guys.
Thank you.
She's working, yeah. Got her working. Oh, look at this setup.
Yeah.
Thanks, man. Thanks, boys. Hey, man, good luck.
See, y'all don't think like me. Y'all not sneaky like this.
Thank you so much for coming out here. This is awesome. This is my first time here. My name is Rod Ryan from 94 Coffee Buzz. Thank you, staff, and everybody that's working. Make sure you're taking care of everybody that's working here tonight as we're partying and having a good time. Okay. So we got a little party coming up in a couple of weeks, right? And someone thought it would be a good idea to not sell tickets to it. So you still have to just win your way in. We're giving away 50 pair of tickets here tonight. 50 pair!
Super high chance.
And you'll notice if you ever see me at one of these things before, I never, ever draw the names. Because what do I get? I'm going to get this guy in the plaid shirt going, Brother Rud, you didn't pull my name. Brother Rud. And then I got Wise over here, Brother Rud, you didn't pull my name. So, if you're going to be mad, you're going to have to give my kid a hard time. She's going to pull all the names today. Weese!
Yeah! Yeah! Let's go! Yeah! Woo!
Way to go, bro.
Thank you!
Congratulations.
Thank you.
We'll call you if we can.
Okay, cool.
All right. Thank you, guys. Here's a slip to tell you what to look for. Probably she'll get an email with a link to some PayPal.
Yeah. 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 I'm the winner. I'm the winner.
That's it right there.
Yeah. Yeah. As soon as I heard my name.
Because you're going to have to respond because you have your email on there.
Yeah, that's why I said put yours.
It's your, you're the winner.
Who cares? They didn't care.
It's a legal thing.
Oh, is it?
Mom, do you have it? Yes. Mom, do you have it?
I wouldn't matter.
What if it's his name?
On the tickets?
Yeah. Mom, do you have to share my life?
Maybe we have to fill those out. Maybe we have to fill those out.
Or you can just send me the email when they send it to you.
Okay. Okay.
You have your phone number on there?
Yeah.
I don't have it.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
What a coincidence. For
Last four tickets. Yeah.
Where'd you park at?
Over there.
I did all that for nothing.
Yeah. Yeah.
What?
I know that for nothing.
I never doubted 1 second. No. Alright, side, there you go. Yeah. Alright, that's it. That's all I need.
So is never ending tax now? To support $1 billion down and go put a 50-year tax on building.
We are in Philly. Look at that, guys. Now, I am here for work, but nonetheless, we are in Philly. Isn't that crazy? Look at that sunset. Look at that sunset. Crazy. Crazy, crazy sunset. We're gonna go to the boardwalk with my feet in the water, and that's about it. As we make our way down. Incredible. Absolutely incredible. We are here at the beach. At the beach, my job. You know, fortunate enough to be able to be sent out to places like this. So I get to put my feet in the water. Obviously, I'm not gonna put my shoes in there, but we're here. Check it out. Isn't that freaking cool? I just want to put my toes in there. Put my dogs in the water. In the Philadelphia water. Yeah. It is cold as hell. It is cold as fuck. Whee! Whee! It is cold as hell, but it's so cool. Look at that. It is cold as hell. It is so cold. Ridiculous. Nowhere near. Alright. That's it. I did it. And I have it on camera. I have it on camera. Check that out, guys. Hell's Kitchen. That's insane. I didn't know that was here. What the heck? That is so cool. That's crazy. Look at that. That's cool. That's my hotel right there. Right there. Walking back to it now. It's here. The monitor's here. That's our PC. Oh, there it is. Oh, find a signal. Oh, that's what I'm talking about, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Change OS. Confirm. Okay, whatever. Big ass 4K monitor. Let's fucking go. For video editing. That's crazy. My other monitor was, I think, 34 inches, and it was a widescreen curved, and this thing looks massive. 32 inches across is insane. Okay, I gotta log in. Hold on. Which is very cool, very nice. I got my Wacom tablet here, back from work, so that I can use it on my actual color grading monitor. It is Rec 709 sRGB. It's 4K. I mainly got it for color grading. That's what I'll be using it for. And with that, I will tell you that I'm no longer making, or I will no longer be streaming. It's not that this PC can't handle it, or that, you know, it's hard. It's just I can't put this image on the Elgato. The Elgato doesn't like it when I stream 4K. I probably can still stream because I was able to stream with the wider monitor, but I really don't want to stream. I think the next time I'll stream is whenever I play Zelda, when I get close to it. Unfortunately, I'm just not feeling up to streaming right now, and I want to go back to video creation, especially because I'm learning a new video software, which is this one called Shotcut, and I'm obviously learning GIMP. So with that said, I'm going to go back to making videos, and definitely going to be color grading a little bit more and doing things like that. So yeah, I love it. It's a good, it looks like a great monitor. I got the same brand as the top one. So yeah, if I do stream, I'll try, but just for right now, I'm probably just going to go back to making videos. So thank you guys so much for watching, and that's been the vlog. So yeah, my little setup update. Cool. All right, peace.
Yep, guess I'm Oogaloo!
What are you doing?